Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Fixapro Scratch Remover, flooding YouTube ads with claims of erasing scratches in seconds and professional results at home. But after testing and reading real user experiences, does this actually work or is it overhyped? Let's break down the truth. So is Fixapro a scam? No, it's not an outright scam. There's no evidence it's fraudulent or filled with fake reviews. You receive a real product. However, the marketing is extremely misleading if it suggests deep scratches can be completely erased with a bottle. Fixapro doesn't perform magic, but it does improve the appearance of light surface scratches when used properly. After real-world testing, it reduces visible surface scratches, especially light ones. The product is a thick, creamy, clear coat filler applied with an applicator pad. When used correctly on light swirls and surface imperfections, it can make them less noticeable. But here's the critical truth. If the damage goes into the paint below, you're out of luck. Consumer reports confirm these products don't work on anything but minor surface scratches, and they may make the damage look worse. Consumer Reports tested scratch pens, similar technology to Fixapro, and found what their packaging doesn't make entirely clear is that these pens are strictly for surface scratches in their clear coat. The rule: these products won't help on any scratch that's deep enough to feel with a fingernail, or if you can see primer or bare metal. One detailed user report: what it does is create a thin layer over the scratch, making it look like the scratch has been removed, but in reality it's still there. A few washes will remove the layer and the scratch will be visible again. Some positive experiences: users with very light swirls and surface scratches report modest improvements. One review noted on light scratches, it would at least make it less obvious if not completely remove it. However, users attempting deeper scratch repair are disappointed. One victim says Fixit was absolutely useless in repairing a light clear coat scratch, and despite following instructions to the letter, it just left a raised clear scar-like line on top of the scratch. Another one mentioned they invested in the product and it wasn't cheap. Tried it out on a supermarket trolley scratch and it wasn't a big scratch nor a deep one, and nothing. Didn't improve it nor even improve it one iota. The bottom line: Fixapro is legitimate but overhyped. It can improve light surface scratches temporarily, but won't repair deep damage or provide permanent fixes. The bold marketing claims vastly exceed what the product realistically delivers. The final verdict: Fixapro Scratch Remover is a real product but with exaggerated claims. It works on very light surface scratches only, and results are temporary. For $20 to $30, you're better off buying Magyar's Ultimate Compound with proven results. If scratches are deep enough to feel with your nail, skip Fixapro and see a professional. Your car deserves real repair, not temporary cosmetics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.